Let's go, let's go.
You think when we can throw?
Throw what, the microwave? So we go by car?
Claro. I can carry two.
No, better we look for one place where we can put them, or
That's why.
no, I don't know where they. We cannot only live in that kind of garbage.
Supposed to be two yun
There near my Chia's house, there is one person who receives materials, fuel, electric things.
Yeah.
New chapter.
Good evening, guys.
You guys can see that we are uploading like one day yes and one day no vlog for the time of editing. Amore, this floor is a bit moist. Or is soap that I didn't remove well?
Yeah.
I brushed the floor with soap and then now it's like slippery. Tamore, we bring this garbage. And the other one, we wait. Maybe this weekend we go there. I don't know how it will work, how it will be. Tá? And later when we be back, look what Romarico cook for us. Cook no, he prepared. No. Filipino fruit salad. The fruit salad, if you're not Filipino and you're watching us, the fruit salad of Filipino is already with the milk cream and the condensed milk and the fruits. And sometimes they put in the freezer, na amore? And then it be like ice cream. Okay, let's go, Ninay. Let's go. It's already night. I sleep until from... What time I start to sleep? 4:30? No, 5 o'clock, na?
Yeah.
And I wake up?
7:30.
My God. This is only a nap, huh? In the afternoon.
Wait, marami lahat.
Look. He play. Let me show your base.
No,
His base. Ai, uma criancinha. Essa é uma criancinha. Just chill. Tá, what later you put this garbage there in the corner.
A sacolinha, ele é difícil de reciclar. Ele tem uma baixa potência de reciclável. Não dá para fazer nada.
I fix for you, Mara.
E ainda assim, aqui cada dia se separa. Todo vaso nós separamos aqui para tudo vai isso. Mas depois o pessoal não sabe fazer com ele. Então veja o seguinte, eu acho que a cidade está acertando. Espero, sinceramente, que outras cidades do Brasil, outros municípios, façam também as suas leis locais. Mas tem sempre aquele...
It's already.
Hello guys, today is Saturday and we go Centro with Vanessa.
Centro.
We're gonna take my
Yeah, but what is Centro?
center of the city.
Yeah.
We will try to take my eyeglass.
But you drive, amore. I'm not driving. You know that pretty little liars, the actress. She's in Floripa. She even drink caldo de cana here.
Oh, chapluma.
Bom dia, boa tarde para vocês. Toma um tapetão de vocês. Consegue uma dentro comigo?
We didn't show that guy taking the Oculus.
No, I was busy. Show the Oculus. Show the Oculus. Show your new glass. Try for Daisy. Nice. Yeah.
Already old, eh?
No. It's good. This is from chili beans. Sometimes they make a cruise there in the ship, like a charter. It's the same brand. Let me show the chili beans. Bem lindo. We buy that, amore. That is a pharmacy.
But if
Yeah, but don't film me. Only there.
Hey guys, me and Vanessa decided to go to eat something in one restaurant, but here in beachside. It's also near in our house.
Yeah.
So later we show you the restaurant.
Show the,
See you.
Show the view there. Cool. Tipo, I love Floripa, sabe? It's the best country you can live here in Brazil. Não tem como. Guys, this one is pagode. Samba we call. Look, this is a restaurant with samba. Can you see? In front of the beach. And now we are looking for another one more there. We sit here. Look our view. And we are checking the menu. Look, all seafood here. The prices in reais. Oh. This is fish. This is fried fish. This is shrimp. Only garlic and oil. This is Milanese. This is only like steamed shrimp, and this is also shrimp, but like panko, né? Panko flour. This is some seafood we have here, and this is oyster. They have some kind of oyster, also good. This is the prices in reais. Guys, we buy the shrimp portion we call here, porção. This is the Milanese.
Obrigado.
Good? Let me try, please. Muito bom. Hi, good evening. Time to make our dinner. Wait, it's no good. Too much light. Guys, good evening. So, time of making dinner. Romarico choose today a Filipino food. So, basically, Filipino food will be only white rice, sausage like this, like fried, and egg is what he wants. Because we already had the lunch, and the lunch is like also not too much. We just you saw that we just ate shrimp. And now we're gonna prepare for him Filipino food. So just cutting, just cutting the langonisa that we Filipino call like this. We just went to the supermarket to buy it because we don't have. And I will fry. I make like what he wants. Also, I like Filipino food, so maybe I will eat as well.
Maracapuru, na região metropolitana de Manaus, enfrenta uma das piores secas da história do município. O Serviço Geológico do Brasil diz que não há previsão de quando os rios devem parar.
Calma, rapaz.
O Ituano venceu o Sampaio Correia com gol de Vinícius Paiva, 1-0.
O Jornal Nacional fica por aqui. Uma boa noite para você. Você, tipo, produtor, ligado? Estou Dom Sebastião. Vamos manter isso.
mukbang. Cara, minha câmera é muito boa.
Okay. Vinegar.
Um tal de doutor Roberto, advogado de São Paulo, que está cuidando agora.
Quando é que você vai?
Mais uma semana eu resolvi o que eu resolvi aqui. Eu já estava particularmente sem
Vamos
conseguir
fazer.
decidir.
Não, não quero.
Tá bom. Então eu te falo.
Já vou ter as coisas para fazer agora. Boa noite, obrigado.
Tchau.
Muito bom.
The vinegar na.
It's better than soy sauce.
O que você acha? Eu acho que você está se colocando numa situação entre quebrar a cara com o Moretti e quebrar a cara com o Steve. E pra qualquer lado que eu olho, eu só vejo cilada. Você sabe da minha posição com relação a qualquer envolvimento seu com o Steve. Por que você sabe o Steve? Como diz? Pois é, tire escuta.